In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wix error 404, page not found, 2026 guide. A 404 error shows up when someone tries to visit a page that no longer lives at the address they're using. Maybe you renamed a page, moved content, or deleted an old section. Whatever the cause, the fix is straightforward. I'll walk you through three reliable methods to resolve the error and keep your site experience professional, using a redirect, adjusting permissions, and, if needed, resetting a problematic page. And let's start with the most effective approach, a URL redirect. From your Wix dashboard, open site and mobile on the left, and click SEO and Geo. Scroll down to find the URL redirect manager. Create a new redirect, then enter the old path like /home and the new path where you want visitors to land like /home1. Save to activate it. From now on, anyone using the old link will be automatically sent to the correct page. A quick tip, use the exact path, including the leading slash, and watch for capitalization or typos. After saving, test the old link in a new tab or an incognito window to confirm it forwards correctly. If the page exists but still throws a 404 for some users, check the page's access settings. In your dashboard, go to Pages and Menu. Locate the page that's causing trouble, click the three dots next to it, and choose Settings. Open the Permissions tab and make sure it's set to everyone. If it's restricted to admin or members, the general public may see a 404 or an access denied message. Save your changes, publish the site, and test while logged out to verify public access. If you do run a members-only area, keep the restriction, but ensure links pointing to that page clearly indicate it requires sign-in. If glitches persist, a clean reset often helps. In Pages and Menu, right-click the troublesome page and choose Duplicate. Give the new page a simple, clear name, then remove the original stuck page and use the duplicate as your primary version. This refresh can clear hidden errors in the site structure. Afterward, update any menus or internal links to point to the new page name, republish, and allow a few minutes for changes to propagate. If the URL changed, add a redirect from the old path to the new one, so existing bookmarks still work. That's it. With redirects, correct permissions, and a clean reset when needed, you'll quickly eliminate 404 errors and keep visitors on the right path.